Since its beginning, Dewalt Tools have been known for their rugged, construction-friendly design. Whether you are a DIYer or a professional, you rely on those tools to improve your work process. So in today's video, we will show you some Dewalt tools you've probably never seen before. Have you ever thought of cutting all the high overgrown branches or shrubs without standing on a stool? Well, this DeWalt DCN660 pole hedge trimmer will make it happen. It comes with a lightweight design and sleek profile that never lets you down in terms of comfort. This hedge trimmer runs on DeWalt's 18-volt batteries and offers you up to 75 minutes of run time, so you can wave goodbye to pesky power cord tangles. On top of that, it hits the shrubs like a turbocharged hairdresser, thanks to the powerful motor that generates 2,800 SPM of speed. And with a 2.15-meter extension pole, you can reach up to 3.35 meters high. The 180-degree articulating head lets you easily make angled cuts like a boss. So gear up, it's time to bring a salon-quality finish to the hedges. If the tool is handy, wrenching yields the desired result. So meet the Dewalt DCF902, a subcompact powerhouse that packs a punch with its 12-volt 2.0 amp-hour battery, providing ample runtime for all your light to medium-duty jobs. And with its state of charge indicator, you'll always know when it's time for a power boost. Thanks to the 3 bright LEDs, this tool will light up your workspace and brings a clear view of the nuts and bolts. With its compact size and 125mm working length, you can comfortably work in tight spaces. And it produces around 168 Newton-meter torque, so all the demanding tasks will be a breeze. Hold on, you can choose the needed speed with its 3-speed control option. What else could you possibly ask from this little guy? If you're the kind of person who takes every DIY project seriously, the Dewalt DCN660 nailer will be an ideal way to go with. This 18-volt 16-gauge tool is perfect for both professional carpenters and DIY enthusiasts who want to get the job done without any bent nails or uneven finishes. With the easy depth adjustment mechanism, it ensures a picture-perfect finish every time. And it has a lightweight design and ergonomic shape, so there will be zero inconvenient issues. Thanks to the brushless motor that provides all the power you need without the pain of gas or fumes. And a bump mode for rapid fire of up to 4 nails per second. So now pick your DCN660 nailer and let the good times roll. Next on the list is DeWalt DCS373 circular saw, a versatile tool for nearly every kind of medium-duty metal cutting task. This tool comes with a transparent front guard and built-in LED light. You'll have improved visibility for precise cuts. It also features a lock-off switch and electronic motor brake, so that you get optimum control and maximum safety even on the toughest jobs. Oh, there's also a variable speed trigger that lets you adjust to the perfect speed for each task. While the tungsten carbide-tipped blade delivers clean and precise results, cut with confidence. Maybe you've never heard of a handheld wet or dry vacuum from DeWalt. Meet the DCV517 cordless vacuum that comes in a compact size and lightweight design of 1.8 kilograms to reduce operator fatigue and ensure ease of use. Most importantly, this vacuum features a detachable 1-meter flexible hose that gives you great access to hard-to-reach areas. With a powerful airflow rate of up to 15.9 liters per second and a runtime of 30 minutes, it becomes an ideal solution for completing a variety of tasks. Want the combination of comfort and reliability? You can never go wrong with this tool. Some professionals still use handheld hammers over electric ones for certain jobs. That's where these DeWalt high-velocity hammers come in handy. They're the ultimate solution for all light to medium-duty nail-driving needs. With the 14 ounces of power and lightning-fast swing, you'll be nailing like a pro in no time. Plus, each of the hammers has an ergonomic design that minimizes fatigue, and the all-steel construction ensures this hammer will be a trusty companion for years to come. And if you're ever in a tight spot, the magnetic nail starter will come to your rescue with one-handed ease. Cherry on top, these hammers also have a durable nail pulling mechanism, which helps you in effort-free nail pulling. And let's not forget the vibration-absorbing grip, so you can hammer away without feeling the pain in your hands. Music is the ultimate companion for some job site pros, and there's a huge possibility of losing your earbuds while dealing with tough situations. So you better go with this DeWalt Job Site Pro Neckband. It's a wireless Bluetooth 5.0 earphone, which comes with a built-in microphone for clear conversation and an inline playback system, ensuring better usability. Plus, it offers substantial runtime on a single charge, as DeWalt never compromises on it. Maybe you're worried about the accidental issues. Not an issue. This neckband is highly durable with IPX6 water resistance. It also includes some interchangeable ear cushions to make hearing more comfortable. Okay, you've often encountered such drywall cutting tasks where you just can't operate a bulky jigsaw. But if you have this DeWalt DWH20 Folding Jab Saw by your side, you can change the game in mere time. With the versatile 2-in-1 design, this saw becomes your ultimate cutting companion. It's like having two tools in one, making projects easier and more efficient. Thanks to the triple ground teeth, the DWH20 lets you slice through drywall like a pro, while the stainless steel rasp removes material. Plus, it also features a locking mechanism that keeps the blade in place, no matter how roughly you cut. But the best part? The ergonomic bi-material handle provides comfort during even the longest cuts. Don't miss out on this essential tool for your next construction project. This is the DeWalt Green Laser tool, which has superb versatility for any commercial construction worker. Most importantly, it provides three 360-degree laser beams to get the most precise results. Plus, it is compatible with both 12-volt and 20-volt max lithium batteries and lets you operate it for up to 12 hours continuously. With the integrated magnetic pivoting base, the green laser allows you to mount it on a metal surface in seconds and also on a tripod for added stability. The bright green laser beams are visible from up to 100 feet away and have a detector range of around 165 feet. Not just that, it also has an IP54 water and debris resistance rating, so you can be confident in its durability on even the toughest job sites. Let's wrap up today's list with the DeWalt DWH-TO, a durable yet handy pipe wrench that is ideal for professional plumbers and other maintenance workers. First, it has a comfortable grip and stable ergonomics, allowing you to apply maximum effort safely. Plus, it gives you a large gripping area and long jaw design, so you can get further reach in specific operations. On top of that, the fully hardened CRV steel construction stands for added lifespan and high strength, so you no longer have to face any inefficient wrenching or damaged results. So that was the list of the DeWalt tools you probably never seen before. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.